Open new Canva project and go to text, type your text and change the font to Anton. You can use any font you want. Adjust the size, place it in the middle and go to apps and type shape cutout. Choose this one. Click export design. Increase a little bit the size. Click export and select all the letters. Click cutout and add to design. Just delete this text. Keep just the new image. Go to edit. Scroll down to shadows, glow. Go to settings. Decrease the size to 8 and decrease the blur amount to 20 and keep the intensity in 50. Adjust the size and download this page as PNG. Just delete this one. Upload the new image and upload the image that you want to use as a background. I'm going to use this one. Go to apps again and type image, blend or blend image. Use this app. Click in this one first, use it in top layer. Click in the background, use it in bottom layer. Go to blend mode and choose multiply and click add to design. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.